Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about integration. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about x equals to cos t square. Because if I put this one gone here, we have cos t square minus number 1, and later that we change for sin t square, and then we can simplify the square root. Now we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have number 2 cos t sin t dt. So I will put this one gone here, here, and here. The x we change for this one. So this one that is about sin t square. This one that is about sin t square. The square root of this one we have cos t sin t. This one that is about cos t sin t. So number 2 I will put in here. So this one multiplied by this one. Next, I need to multiply by cos t minus sin t on numerator and the denominator. So this one that is about cos t square minus sin t square. So we have the formula in here. And now we need to transform this one into number 1. Next, this one multiplied by this one, and this one multiplied by this one. So we have like this. So we need to focus on this one. So this one we can put like this. So about this one, we need to put this one go to the right. So we have cos t square equals to number 1 plus sin t square. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about z equals to sin t. So we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So this one that is about z square. This one that is about z square. Cos t dt we change for dz. So z square multiplied by number 1 and z square in here. And now we have the formula in here. So we put number 2 gone here. So 2 plus 1, we have number 3. The next one, that is about number 5. And I will put about C. About Z, that is about 20. So we need to focus on this one. So we put about 20 square and 20 in here. So this one, we need to transform in here. So we put number 1 go to the left, 20 square go to the right. So we have cos t square minus number 1. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about z equals to cos t. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So this one, that is about z square. This one, that is about z square. This is about dz. And now this one multiplied by this one and number 1. So we have the final answer. About z, that is about cos t. Now we need to go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. This one, that is about this one. So about t, that is about this one. So we put the square root for the both sides, and we have the square root of s equals to cos t. And now we got about t equal to a cos of the square root of s. So I will put this one to change for t. So about cos t, that is about the square root of s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.